Cayenne pepper. I use it often. So, cayenne pepper is used in my regimen for a lot of things. Weight loss, helping me to break down food. It helps me to clear mucus out of my system. And of course, I use it in spices in my food. That's the most known and most common use of cayenne pepper. What I'm doing right now, I carry a small bottle of supply with me mostly everywhere I go, because if I go out and eat or after lunch, I do a little cayenne pepper with water, and it helps to break down food, and it helps to clear out my digestive system. So I carry a small bottle of cayenne pepper. Fun fact here, actually it's a well-known fact that cayenne pepper, if someone was having a heart attack, all you had to do was put a pinch of cayenne pepper under their tongue, and it will help to subside them in the middle of a heart attack. So, I shared with you the wonderful benefits and use of cayenne pepper. If you've used cayenne pepper before, can you please let me know how you use it? And if you've known about it before this, share that with us in the comments. Know that I love you. Know that I care. I truly care about you. This is Tammy's Detox Life. I'll talk to you soon and see you in the next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please, for the sake of everybody, share it with someone. This could actually help to save someone's life and or help them on their weight loss journey and to a better, healthy lifestyle. Thanks.